वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। सो चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? फाइन? आई एम आल्सो फाइन। Today is a class that is cube of 3-digit numbers. In a few seconds you can solve. First of all, when I'll teach you, then you will think that ma'am, it's not a solving of few seconds, so it will take a lot of time. No, if you practice at home and if you don't use calculator, then you can easily solve. You have to do a lot of practice. No, so without any practice you cannot solve anything so fast. But in the competitive exam, you have to solve in a very few seconds, and there will be options. Option 1, A, B, C, D, so on, and the answers will be so close. So think 1357, 1375, 1755 ऐसे. तो इतना क्लोज आंसर रहेगा कि आप लोग को इतना कंफ्यूजिंग आंसर. तो इस टाइम में आप लोग अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते तो आप लोग के करना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. ठीक है, नामुमकिन तो नहीं है, मुश्किल है. ठीक है, तो चले स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास. तो पहले क्या बोलना चाहिए? प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो मुझे कोऑपरेट कीजिए कि मैं आप लोग को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा सकूं, हेल्प कर सकूं. और please comment me through your comment box. Okay, last time in my last class when I was teaching you that is cube of 2-digit numbers, I told you to give you some homework, but I forgot at the end of the class. So sorry. Today I'll give you some homework. You will just practice at home and please avoid calculator. Okay, and mobile also. So I'll teach you that cube of 3-digit numbers. Okay. So let's think. First number is that is 107 cube. Very easy because 107 is that is here you will take in split in two parts. That is I'll take a lot of space. No, that is here and here. So it is first one is 1 and A, and here is everything B. So here is A and here is B. So you will take A plus B whole cube. Previously I taught you in the cube root of 2-digit numbers, solving of cube root of 2-digit numbers. I taught you previously. So A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Okay. Again today I will take the help of this formula. So here 1 is A and 07 is B. We have to take number 2 digit here, that is 1 cube. Here is 1 cube and here is 07 cube. That means 7 cube. No. So 1 cube is 1 and 7 cube is 343. Now what you will take? Here is A cube and there is B cube. Okay, now 3A square B. 3A square B and here is 3AB square. Okay, so 3A square B is 3 multiplied by 1 square is 1 and B is 7. And here is 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7 square is B square is 7 square, that is 49. Okay, so what you will write? 3 sums 21. 21 and multiplied by 1, that is here is 21. And 49 multiplied by 3. 3 9 27, 7. 2 in hand. 3 4s are 12 and 2 14. 1 47. So right here 147. So you will take, in the case of 2-digit number, you will take only 1, that is 3. But here you will take 43. Okay. So 2-digit number. Here is 43. So carry over 3. So plus 3, that is 115. Okay. So you will take here 50. So 1 carry here. So 1 here. So it is 22. So you will write here 22. Here is 1. 1. So 1225043 is a cube root of 107. Understood, children? So I will the next sum. That is, think about 113. So 113. 113 cube. So here is also A is 1 and B is B is 13 here. So first we have to write A cube and then B cube. Okay. So first one you will take, that is 1 cube is 1 and here is 13 cube. 13 cube is 2197. So मैम आप तो इतना जल्दी कर सकते हैं, हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं? वही जो हम लोग को तो 13 का क्यूब तो पहले मैं सिखाई थी. 13 का, okay, I am giving you the recap. 13 cube, that is 1 is A, 3 is B. So 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. Okay, 3A square B, 3A square B, 3A B square. I am giving you the recap. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 1 square is 1, B is 3. So 3 is a 9 here. Okay, so 3 is 9 and 3AB square. So 3 multiplied by 1, A not 9, A. Okay, B square is 9. So 3 is a 27. So 27. So take 7 here, carry over 2, that is 29. So 9 here, carry over 2, that is 11. So now write 1 here, carry 1, 1. So here is 2. So 2. 2197, 2197. Okay, children. So this is a recap for you. Every time I will teach you. So the 2197 is the cube of 13. Now 3A square B. 3 multiplied by A is 1 square. B is 13 square. B is 13. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by 13. That is 39 here. So 39 here. And 3A square B. 3A B square. B square is 169. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 169. So here what will write? 3 9 is 27. 7 2 in hand. 48. 50. So here is 507. So here is 507. Understood? Then what you will do? That is, you will take 2 digit number here. So you take it 97. Now carry over 21. So here is 21. So 528. You will take here 28. Now 5 carry. So 5 here. So 39 plus 5, 44. So you will write here 44 and 1 is 0. So 113 cube, that is 1442897. If you practice at home, repeatedly I am telling you, if you practice at home, it will be very easy. This trick is okay. So now next thing, that is 216. Okay. So let's think 216. So 216 here. Okay. So A is 2 and B is 16 here. Okay. So 2 cube is 8 here. And here is 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So 16 cube equals to 4096. Okay. So 4096. Now 3A square B. So 3 multiplied by 1 square, that is 1 multiplied by B, that is 16. That is 16 3 is a 48 here. So I will write here 48. 3AB square. 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 16 square. 16 square is 256. So 3 multiplied by 256 is 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. So 75, 76. Okay. So 768 here. So 768 here. Then, so here is 96. You will take here 96. And 40 carry. So 40. So 8, 0, 8. Okay. So you will write here 0, 8. 8 carry. 8 carry. So 56. So you will write here 56. And here is 8. So cube of 216 is 8560896. Okay. In the competitive exam, that is, options are so close, A, B, C, D. So you have to think a lot. That is 856 0896 8096 0869 80896. Okay. So close. So have to be very cautious for this. Okay. So now think about 100 हो गया, 200 हो गया, चले तो 300 हम लोग चलते हैं. Okay. So think about 323. Okay, 323. So here is A is 3. So 3 cube is 27. And here is B is 23. 23 cube is 12,167. Okay, 23 cube is 12,167 here. So now 3a square b. 3a square b and 3a b square. Okay, so 3a square. 3 multiplied by a square is 3 square. That is 9. Multiplied by 23 square is 529. So 529. And now here is 3ab square. No, here is sorry. It's not 529. 3a square. A square is 3 square. B means 23. Okay. अभी गलत हो जाता है. Okay. Now 3 and A is 3. B square is 529. Okay. So what you have to write here? 3 is 27. 27 multiplied by 23. So 27 3 81 and 27 2 54. So 1 4 plus 8 plus 4 12 2. So 1 6. So 621 here. 621 here. And 3 is a 9. 9 into 529. 9 multiplied by 529. So 9 and 81. 8 carry. 2 is the 18. 18 plus 8 26. 26. 2 carry over. So 9 5 is the 45. 47. Okay. So 4761 here. 4761 here. Okay. So now you will take here 2. That is 67. Now 121 carry. Okay. So carry over now 121. So 2884. 2884. So right here 82. So 48 carry. 48 carry. So 9 6 6 9 6 6. So 69. Okay. Here is it is 8. Okay. 69. So 2 carry. So 29. So here is 29. So cube of 323 is 29698267. Not so easy. Tough. No, yes, it's easy. But you have to think about 23 cube. Okay. So you have to calculate. Okay. Next, last one is think about. Okay, 300 हो गया तो चले 400 चले जाते हैं. Think about 435. Okay. 35 cube. बाप रे. ये तो आप लोगों को करना है. हम लोग बंगाली में कहते हैं बाप रे, मतलब बहुत डर गया. ओके. चलो तो 4 होता है क्या ना, 4 होता है a. So 4 cube is 64 here. So 64. 35 cube. 35 cube is 42,875. 42,875. 42,875. Okay. So so 4 cube is 64. 35 cube is 42,875. You have to do here 35 cube. Okay. So now 3a square b. So 3 multiplied by 4 4 is 16 multiplied by 35. Okay. And 3ab square. 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 35 square. Okay. Then here is 3 multiplied by, that is here is 48. 40. No, I'll take a 3 multiplied by 35. 33 multiplied, that is 105. 105 into 16. So मैंने पहले 48 लिया है. क्यों आप रब कर दिया, यस कर दिया? क्योंकि 105 से 16 मल्टीप्लाई करना ज्यादा इजी है. ओके, सो 16 5 is 80, 80 is 0, 18 hand, so 8, so 16 1s are 16. चले, हो गया. सो ये होता है 1680, 1680. Then it is 35 square. 35 3 4s are 12, and 35 square is 1225. So 1225, and 3 4s are 12. So 12 5 is 60, 6 in hand. 12 2s are 24, 24 6, 30, 3 in hand. 12 2s are 144, 144 147. So 14700. 14700. You have to write here. Okay. Then again same thing. You have to take 75. So you will write here 75. So 428. 428 carry over. So 8 2 1. So 1 5. So you will write here 28. Now it is 140. 151 is carry over. So 151. So here 1 5 plus 8 13 3 1 carry 7 1 8 1. So you will write here 31, 18 carry. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 2, 1 hand, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So 82, here is 82. So cube of 435 is 82312875. So आज के लिए अभी ये सम खत्म है, क्योंकि बहुत मैं कैलकुलेशन कर चुकी हूँ, आप लोग भी. ओके, सो आप लोग अगर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं घर में तो ये सीखना बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है. नामुमकिन तो है ही नहीं, मुश्किल ही नहीं है, बहुत ही इजी है. आप लोग बहुत फास्ट, बहुत जल्द ये आप लोग कर सकते हैं ये कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में. और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में तो बहुत प्रेशर रहता है कि कितना जल्द हम लोग कैलकुलेशन कर सके. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए खत्म करते हैं. ओ राइट, होमवर्क. सो चले क्या देते हैं? अच्छा चलिए मैं इजी देती हूँ. नंबर ए, दैट इज 105. इजी नो. नंबर बी, दैट इज ओके चलिए 115. ओ भी इजी. 5, ये भी 5, ये भी 5. चलिए नंबर दैट इज 121. 121. सो नंबर डी, आप ये 200 में देते हैं. चलिए अच्छा इजी देता है 204. ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर ए, ओनली 5 sums. That is, one is a little bit of tough. 346. Okay, this is a homework for you. Please ये होमवर्क मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में दे दीजिए, मैं चेक कर दूंगी. सो प्लीज डोंट यूज कैलकुलेटर. तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप लोग सही किया है नहीं? ठीक है. ओके, सो ये आज का मेरा क्लास खत्म करती हूँ. तो प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो and share to your friends, subscribe my channel and please comment me through your comment. होमवर्क करने को मत भूलिए प्लीज, मैं गुस्सा हो जाऊंगी. ठीक है, तो चलते हैं आज के लिए. बाय बाय. जॉइन योर नेक्स्ट क्लास.